Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best water play mats for babies in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Splashin Kids Water Mat. The Splashin Kids Water Mat comes with captivating graphics designs that are eye-catching to encourage your 3-month-old baby to play. It is very comfortable and great for tummy time. This mat is an excellent option that is suitable for toddlers. There are floating toys inside the mat, which are also attractive to keep your child busy while on the inflatable mat. It is BPA-free with a PVC material that is both durable and safe for your toddler. The comfortable mat is also spacious, with enough room for crawling, which helps your baby's physical growth and fine motor skills. Number 2. Our second best pick is Gebra Baby Water Mats. Do you want a mat that gives your baby comfort and entertainment while you do whatever you have to? Then this is for you. This turtle-themed water mat, with 43 by 35 by 2.5 inches, is the largest on our list. It is ideal for children of 3 months and above. Made with 0.35 mm thick PVC material, this mat is also BPA-free. The seams and plug are completely leak-proof, so you don't have to worry about water leaking out of the large water mat and all over the carpet. Gebra Baby Water Mats are also super easy to set up and portable to pack. Number 3. Our third best pick is TikTok Baby Water Mats. Getting your baby down for tummy time can be a challenge, especially when your kid is so active. With the inflatable water mat like this one from TikTok, you can easily get your baby to settle down. The standard platform size is very comfortable, and the designs are bright enough to keep your baby calm and entertained for tummy time. TikTok Baby Water Mats can fill air and water in the 2 rings, creating a space for play. The material for the mat shell, like others on our list, is CPC certified PVC. The mat is completely safe for your baby and can be used by babies from 3 months old to 12 months. The TikTok water mat helps your child develop hand-eye coordination and boosts cognitive development. While the material of the mat is heavy-duty, the mat is not actually heavy and can be easily set up. It is also very portable, so you can move it around the house. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is QPAU Baby Water Mat. This QPAU inflatable mat is a great choice to keep your baby distracted for hours. The comfortable platform is made with a PVC shell, so there is no worry of it being irritating to the skin. It is completely safe for your child, and there are no hazards when you use the water mat. The underwater theme is sure to entertain your child. With eye-catching designs and creatures inside the mat, your toddler can play and relax. The water mat encourages your baby to develop physical and cognitive skills while playing and reaching for the floating characters. Perfect for children of age 3 to 12 months old, the QPAU Baby Mat has surface measurements of 28 by 22 by 2.4 inches. There is enough space for your child to roll, reach, play, and stretch. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Roboski Tummy Time Water Play Mat. The Roboski Tummy Time Water Mat holds a spot as one of the most unique options for a toddler. It is larger than most mats with a spacious surface measuring 27.5 by 21.5 by 7 inches. It can also be used by children of 1 to 12 months of age. The Roboski mat has bright and creative underwater figures that keep your baby active while playing. With CPS certified PVC for the material and a thickness of 0.3 mm, the Roboski water mat also helps to avoid leakage. The brand also offers a 100% money-back guarantee, which assures you of the quality standard of this mat. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.